Hello everyone, so just a short overview of the Zion theme builder. So the first time you will come to the theme builder that you will find under Zion builder theme builder. What you will see will look pretty much like this, except that you won't have any header already filled in here. So the way you will start to add a new header is you will simply click on add header and then you will click on add a new component. And then from here, you can click on edit and then you will be taken to the editor to edit your header. I will go back to the Zion builder as I already have a header to speed this overview a bit. So, and you can preview your headers just by clicking here, of course. So this is the one that we just created that doesn't have anything in it. Let's delete it. And let's instead preview this one. So we'll be adding that one. So we just need to drag it and then it becomes the default template. So now I haven't yet clicked saved, so it's not applied. So if we go on the home page now and we refresh, this is what we see. So there is no header, there is no footer. My demo homepage isn't great, but it should be good enough. So, and now I clicked save. If we go back, so now we have the header. And if we want to add a footer, of course, now I already made one earlier. So we just go on the footer. Actually, both my header and footer comes from the templates that comes with Zion builder. So I didn't create them myself. I just imported them from the templates. So now as you see, it's working right away. So that's what I really like about the way they've made this. You have the components on the right, which is separate from the template. So when you will then want to create another template for another post type, let's say, on this website, I have a employee post types. So let's call this template employee, and then let's go all the way down to employee and click all employees. So now I'm creating a new template for the employees. Right now, they are inheriting the default template. So if I show you one of my employee, I refresh, that's what's there now. So it has the default template with the same header and footer as every page on the website. But if we want to give this employee header instead, well, we can just bring it here and then don't forget to click save. This is very important to click the save. And now if I go back on my employee and I refresh, you see now it has this other header. So it's like super convenient to easily see and preview what template has what component, and then to swap between them. Let's say I just wanted to swap. Well, it's quite easy. I just remove it from here. I remove that one, and then I give the employee header here, and I can rename it also to like whatever we want. And it gets renamed here automatically. And then this header, I bring it here, and now we click save. And now if I go on my home page and we refresh, now it has this other header and vice versa. So that's like super convenient. I really like the way they made this template functionality. It's with the components, it's great. So let's go a little bit more in depth and let's add a body to my employees. So a body component so that we have like a template. So let's edit it. And all right, so let's just go with a very simple layout for the sake of simplicity and to keep the video short. So let's just add an image Actually, let's just add an image box. It will be very quick and you will get the idea. So for the image, let's click here, use dynamic data, and then let's use the feature image for the post. Right now, ACF is supported, but it's still, it's not perfectly supported yet. And the others, like Metabox and Pods, are not yet really supported. Like they don't work for images. I think ACF now works with the image field, but yeah, it's getting implemented. But right now the dynamic options are a bit limited. All right, so now let's go. So image box, okay, image position. Okay, so this is the description text. Let's use the description text. So we will want like the just the post content. Okay, that's perfect. And then finally, let's for the image box title, let's use the post title. All right, so that's great. Let's save and publish. And now, so that's something that's a little bit buggy. As you see, every time I go back, it takes me, like the back button doesn't bring you back here. So that's a bit annoying. And you will see, also maybe you will remember that I didn't click save after I added this new body component. So it's not there yet. But at least, thankfully, it gets added. It gets saved in the components list, even if you forget to click save. So that's great. Let's just preview to make sure I have the right one. It's not, it doesn't look like it's the right one. So probably this one is the right one. I guess the preview doesn't get the content, so we'll just have to test it. That one should be the right one because it automatically gets named after the name of the template you are editing when you create a new component. For example, if I add a footer here, it will get named employee footer. So let's remove it. Let's save and let's go back to our employee page. So that's what it looked like before I added the body footer. And that's what it looks like now with the new template. And if I visit another employee, so let's just preview another one. So as you see, it's working perfectly fine. Of course, now I didn't style much of anything, but you get the idea how it works, okay, kind of simple and beautiful, like the old team builder interface is. And let me show you a few more of the options. So you can really like specify precisely for what the template you are creating, where it should show up. So for pages, the search page, the home page, all single page, all archive page, logged in users, logged out user. So this is very interesting. If you want a different header for like a header and footer for like logged in users and logged out users, then you can just create a template for this and show exactly like what you want to the users depending on their login status. So it's quite great. And then even the media, although I don't think that would be useful. And you can have exclusions. So essentially, you can end up like showing the templates exactly where you want. All the options are there. And then with this interface, you can quickly swap between the different components. And you have a quick preview as well for what has which component. That's it for the team builder. And check out my other Zion related tutorials. And thank you for watching, and subscribe for more content like this. Goodbye.